Hello students. In this video, we're diving into the exciting world of symmetry. Have you ever noticed how some things look the same on both sides? That's the magic of symmetry. So, let's start by understanding the difference between symmetric and asymmetric objects. A symmetric object is something that can be divided into two identical halves, like a butterfly. If you split it down the middle, both sides look exactly the same. On the other hand, an asymmetric object, like a crooked branch, can't be divided into equal parts. Now, here's a cool idea: the line of symmetry. This is an imaginary line we can draw to help us see if a shape is symmetric. Imagine folding a piece of paper along this line. If both sides match perfectly, then the shape is symmetric. There are a few different types of lines of symmetry. A vertical line of symmetry divides an object from top to bottom into two equal halves. A horizontal line of symmetry splits it from left to right. And a diagonal line of symmetry cuts through the shape diagonally, creating equal halves. But what about symmetry in letters? Let's check it out. Some letters, like F and G, don't have any lines of symmetry. But others, like A and M, have one line. Letters like H and I are extra special because they have two lines of symmetry, one vertical and one horizontal. Now, let's talk about numbers. Digits like 1 and 5 don't have any lines of symmetry. But look at 0 and 8, they each have two lines of symmetry. Next, we have something called rotational symmetry. This is when an object looks the same even after you rotate it. Imagine turning a hexagon. After a 60-degree turn, it still looks exactly the same. That's rotational symmetry in action. There's also something called the center of rotation. It's the point inside the object where everything rotates around. And the order of rotational symmetry tells us how many times a figure looks the same during a full 360-degree rotation. The higher the order, the more times it matches up as it spins. So, what have we learned today? Symmetry is all around us, in shapes, letters, numbers, and even nature. It makes everything look balanced and beautiful. Here's a fun question for you. What type of line of symmetry does a circle have? Share your answer in the comments below. The complete curriculum for Class 5 is available on our channel. Check out all the links provided in the description below. Please make sure to like, share, and comment for more such videos.